Hey guys, Franco with Trading Futures Live here. In this video, I will show you my trades from today. Let's jump right into it. If we go to my H1, here you can see it says it shows a green button, but it's actually two break-evens. My first trade was 1027. All right, I spotted this area right here, created around like 935, where it started to go up. And then for my risk management, I couldn't reach the whole area, so I ended up putting the order around here, confirmation. So I was waiting for this dip to occur, and after it happened, the ADQD was still in an uptrend. Yeah, it went up, it went down, but still in the positive numbers. And the tick chart certainly was not making a new high, but it was not making new lows either. So it created this low at the time that created the dip inside the chart. That's when, and when this next candle happened is when I activated my order, right? I was, let's go back. I was up 1-to-1 real quick here, and I was very aggressive because the momentum was against me. And I was stopped up break even. My second trade, an intraday breakout. I do have the same area right there. This demand, this is the pivot of 935. I let it dip, and then when it started to go up, I put the order here. They filled me in. I was a little bit on the water here, but then it started to go up like almost 2-to-1, and then I ended up break even for the trade. Total, here are the internals. Now the ADQD did not create a new low, but certainly this move is very, very painful to handle. Now the tick chart did not create a new low. That's why I activated my order. So that's all for today. With this, I'm gonna pass it to George. Please don't forget the drill. Like, subscribe, and share. That helps us with the algo. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Franco. In this daily recap for July 1st, 2022, first day of the month, I had one winner. Let's go ahead and take a look here. I had one winner. It was a 2.8R trade. Good way to start off the month. I only took 3 trades this week. The first 2 were losers. Today was the third trade. I'm up 0.8R. I lost 1R in each of the first 2 trades here on the 29th. And then today 2.8R, so I'm up to 0.79, 2.79. So up to 2.79. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chart. It was a short, so this was my entry E here. This is the open. It chopped around for the first 10 or 15 minutes or so, but then it broke to the upside. This was the overnight high level that it finally broke out of. I did not have any entry into this trade. And then as it came and tested the level that I had marked out up here, we had news at 10 a.m. And so this candle with this spike up was the news. I had called it out beforehand that if the news didn't confirm this bullish move in the first 30 minutes, if it didn't confirm and close up here and continue to push further, I was going to want to be short because I thought it was going to come crashing down from there. And that was this sign here when this candle closed at 10 o'clock, creating a low there. I marked out this trend line, and when we had a close below, down here, below the trend line, I had put a limit order. I wanted to risk this entire 2-minute candle. I risk 10 points usually, so I wanted my stop to be above the 2-minute candle, making my entry right here at 37.99. I put a limit order. I got filled in on this candle right as it was closing at the top of the candle, and basically straight down from there. This was the if-then statement basically that I had drawn out. It didn't pull all the way back up to here, but it did close below. Gave me essentially a micro pullback. I had a limit order. Again, risking that entire 2-minute candle. I didn't take any heat on this trade. I think I took like 1 or 2 ticks of heat in the trade, and that was pretty much it. This was my 2-to-1 target down here. We got there pretty quickly, and then this was 3-to-1, and then I slowly started to scale out, and I had 2 contracts left down at the lows. My final target was down here at 49, which was a 5-to-1 trade at this zone down here. But as we started to get down here, really as we pushed here, we had a new 30-minute candle. And after this extreme move down, I was afraid of the reversal in the next 30-minute candle. So I took 1 contract off, and then I took another contract off at about 3.5 R. So in total, I made 2.8 R on the trade. It was a very good trade. I was talking to Franco about it, though. I could have very easily not gotten filled in, so I do need to work on my execution and my entries. We were talking about maybe looking at a different time frame, maybe looking at a volume chart, so something I'm going to start playing with moving forward. And that was my day today. Thank you guys for joining us, and we'll catch you in another video. Take care.